Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to add a music bot to a Discord server. First, go to Discord on your PC or mobile device and click on your server on the left side. Then, click on your server name at the top and select Server Settings from the menu. Now, click on App Directory to open the app search. Here, type GreenBot in the search bar. Then, click on GreenBot from the search results. Now, click on Add App to start adding it to your server. Next, click on Add to Server to choose which server you want to add it to. Then, click on Continue to proceed. Now, click on Authorize to give the bot permission to join your server. Finally, confirm you're not a robot by completing the CAPTCHA. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.